Hello, it's me, Al John's guitar. You know my Harbinger, the tweeter went out in it. I call it a tweeter. Some people call it a high field driver. It went out, and I couldn't get a replacement part for this that I could find. So I'm from Memphis. Seismic Audio has a warehouse in Memphis. I've known people who worked for Seismic Audio, so I figured I'd give them a shot. So I ordered a couple of tweeters. If it works good, I ordered two so I could replace the horn in my other speaker, so that maybe I've got a cheap fix for $60. We'll see. You know, we'll see. Let's unbox that thing. What do you say? So here's the box that it came in. Shipped directly from Memphis to me. It was marked return because my dumb self accidentally put the wrong address on it. Missed my address by one number. And they were like, we can't deliver it because it's wrong. And I'm like, ah. So I called the guys at the audio supply place, the Seismic Audio, and I said, hey, when it gets back there, can you just ship it up there? And they were like, why don't you just go get it? And I was like, because I didn't think of that. That's mainly why. So I went up there today. And luckily I got to them before they were shipping it out, and I was able to get these tweeters so I could see if they work today. Oh, there it goes. All right, so boxes and boxes. Here's what I got. One, two. These are called the Seismic Audio T-Dome. They should be 8 ohms. Ooh, they're about the same size. Yeah, they're 8 ohms. See the difference between them and my old one. So they're about the same weight. About the same weight. But it seems like this is a little bit thicker, a little bit bigger. Don't you think? So I'm hoping that's not going to be an issue. But if it is, we'll make it work. And it has these little push down things. You see, you push it, don't touch that. You push it, and you can see you put the wire in there. As opposed to these, have the little clippy deals. So I'm probably going to have to cut those off. They have the little clippy deals. So I'm probably going to have to cut those off. So these have the pushies. Boop. And these have the clippies. Boop. I've already taken the liberty to removing the screws and everything from this, so it shouldn't take me very long to swap them out. Hope you can see this. So this is the Harbinger Vari V1012 powered loud speaker, where I got the screws out of it. All I gotta do basically is lift this up, kind of lay it across here. Now, these cables right here, they actually left a little bit of a loop. That's good. You see that little loop right there? So I have a little extra cable to work with because I'm going to have to cut these. Let me put that down. There we go. All right, so I'll do my best to find the right one. It shouldn't be any more than 22 to 8. Yeah. It's rolling in there really good. It is going in there. It's tight. Okay. Just a little closer. The only thing I really got to loosen is the black and the blue, which I believe the black will go into the black. Just like that. And the blue going to the red. Just like that. Gotta get this twisted really good. So basically you get it twisted. Hang on, let me see if I can do this. I hope you can see it. So you basically get it twisted, right? Then you just push this down and you put the wire in at the bottom and then leave it up. And that is in, right? Now comes the tough part. Let's see if this will fit back in here. It should. Should have plenty of clearance. Look at that. Perfect fit. Let's get this thing screwed back together and try it out. So I'm not going to put all of them back in. I'm just going to put a few of them back in. I'm going to lean it up. Run some music through it. We're going to see how it sounds versus the other speaker. I'm just going to put 4 screws in it, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. This is exciting, isn't it? Like, ooh, that's cool. When it really isn't cool. It's just me screwing in screws. All right, so I got the acoustic. I can't get too loud in here. Because it's a closed area. It's an enclosed area, and I don't want to get a lot of feedback. But I've got it turned up enough, I think. So I turn that one down. I'm just going like this. Well, my best friend's sister kind of thinks that I'm a jerk. Cause I got a bad attitude and I don't want to work. You know, I'm always saying things, just trying to ruffle up her skirt. And I don't want no girlfriend, I just want to flirt. Halfway. Halfway. Now some of you fellas just might disagree with this little rule that I hold dear to me. I don't want no wedding in the church. I don't want no girlfriend, I just want to flirt. Check, check. It sounds boxier, doesn't it? I'm gonna try to turn my bass up a little bit on this. When I'm sitting at home all alone, you know I got me a brother, sister that I call up on the telephone. She got me wrapped up like a mint in a circus, but she don't want no boyfriend, she just wants to flirt. When I'm sitting at home all alone, you know I got me a brother, sister that I call up on the telephone. She got me wrapped up like the mint in a circus, cause she don't want no boyfriend, she just wants to flirt. Now when I'm sitting at home all alone, you know I got me a brother, sister that I like to call up on the telephone. She got me wrapped up so tight that it hurts, cause she don't want no boyfriend, she just wants to flirt. I don't want no girlfriend. Alright. Well, Don't know what to say next. I don't know, man. I think it's fine. What do you think? Honestly, sounds fine. I don't know nothing about no pro audio, but the horn seems to be working good enough for what I do, right? For what I do, which is solo acoustic gigs. It does sound a little boxier. It does sound a little boxier than the original horn. Now, I don't know if that's because of the hertz of the horn, or it's because I don't know what I'm doing. I can definitely tell you this speaker sounds, the one with the original horn in it, sounds a lot fuller than this speaker with the new Seismic audio horn in it. However, for $60, really it was like 30 something for one and 50 something for two. And these are already only like $129 speakers. What? Say something. Say something. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was informative. Would I buy the Seismic audio tweeter? I bought 2 of them, so yeah. Yeah. If I could have found an actual replacement Harbinger driver, I would have bought that, but I couldn't find one. I didn't know who made it. I don't know where they come from. I know they all come from China, but you know what I mean? I didn't know what company they come from. I was kind of hoping that the same company that made the Seismic audio ones also made the others, but they don't. They don't. I was worried that this being a 100 watt horn, 100 watts, was going to be bad, because if it's 100 watts, right, here, then that means that I'm only pushing like 30 watts through it. And I was worried because I was like, isn't that going to damage the horn by running low power through it? And I was like, no. Think of it like a bucket, right? If you have a bucket that will hold 100 of something and you put 20 in it, it'll still hold more. But if you have something that holds 20 and you put 100 in it, you'll damage the bucket. That's the way it was explained to me. So, like I said, I don't know. I'm not a professional musician. Well, I am a professional musician, but I'm not a professional sound guy. And if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. I don't know nothing about affiliate link because I haven't been that good at it yet. But Seismic Audio in Memphis, if you need some speaker parts, they got them. Thank you.